3.4 10th standard subject English. Topic is 3.4 let's march. Question number 1, answer in one words. Number 1, the motherland of Kailash Satyarthi. Answer is India. Question number 2, the country which Iqbal Mash represent. Answer is Pakistan. The place where Nobel Prize distribution program was held. Answer Norway. Question number 4, the ancient text of wisdom. Vedas. Answer Vedas. Question number 2, complete the following web. The writers represents the sounds of silence, the cry of innocence, the face of invisibility, millions of children. Question number 3, find out the describing word used for the following noun and make your own sentence using any two combinations. A. Global peace, beautiful faces, supreme, sacrifice, empty chair. Sentence. Sentences. UNO was established for global peace. हमें सेंटेंस बनाना है. Question number 2, we should never forget the supreme sacrifice of our martyrs. Question number 4, name the tenses. The Nobel Committee has generously invited me to present a lecture. Answer present perfect tense. Question number 2, I am representing the million of children. Answer present continuous tense. Question number 3, I humbly accept his award of behalf of all my fellow activists across the world. Answer simple present tense. Question number 4, I have kept an empty chair here as a reminder. Answer present perfect tense. Question number 2, make adjective of. Number 1, honor, honorable, silent, silence, silent, create, creative, peace, peaceful. इसका हमें एडजेक्टिव बनाना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ टेक्स्ट इज दिस, हाउ डू यू डिसाइड इट. आंसर दिस टेक्स्ट इज अ स्पीच, आई हैव डिसाइडेड इट on the basis of the beginning of the text. In the beginning, the speaker has addressed the dignitaries and the audience assembled in the hall auditorium. This shows that the text is a speech lecture. Question number 2, what do you know about Kailash Satyarthi. Answer, Kailash Satyarthi is an activist who fought for the Indian children's rights. He is a Nobel Peace Prize recipient and the founder of Bachpan Bachao Andolan. He and his team at the Bachpan Bachao Andolan have liberated more than 86,000 children in India from child labor, slavery, and trafficking. He is basically from Vidisha in Madhya Pradesh.